A customer has brought me this cable for a medical machine. They broke the jack, they broke the tip on this that goes into here. And this machine, this cable is very expensive. It's $1,200 for the foot pedal and probably $2,000 or more for this assembly, cable assembly. So our objective here is to probably replace both ends of these jacks. This is almost impossible to redo, and this one has a broken pin inside. One of these pins is inside, and it's going to be very hard to open it, so probably replacing it with power jack from PC, which is going to look like this, probably do the trick. Let's see how it works. Now I'm going to sit this jack in here. To do that, I will dress this and make an impression, so I have to insulate the plastic so it doesn't get glued to the epoxy I'm going to use. I'm using here Plexus MA300 black. This is the best epoxy that you can use for plastic, and I'm gonna squeeze some. It's got like almost 1 minute before it starts hardening up. Very fast acting epoxy. I didn't need much of that. That's too much epoxy, I guess. Now we're going to solder the wires. Okay, now insulate the other part. Okay, now I'm gonna glue the other part. Wait 5 minutes for it to harden. Okay, now we soldered the other part of the jack, and we just epoxy on it. Now everything is ready, we just snap it in. plastic cover. It looks okay, not so fancy, but it does the job. Problem solved.